This is an actual piece of granite, and this is what we created with our epoxy. In this video, we're going to show you how we matched natural stone. Using color and technique, we're going to show you step by step how we taught this class in Las Vegas how to mimic natural stone. Many folks jumped in and created this project as a group. The results are stunning. Stay tuned and enjoy the video.
Our epoxy rocks, stone coat countertops.
Remember, when you subscribe to our channel, click on the red subscribe button and be sure to ring the bell so you get notified every time we have a new video. Thanks again. We're using Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy at a 1:1 ratio. We'll mix it for about 2 minutes using a drill. Then we're adding our buttercream base tint. This is what was going to match this natural stone. We use our 1/8 by 1/8 square notch trowel to spread the material, and then we start adding our color. We start with silver metallic spray paint on a paint stick, drawing that through the buttercream base. Then we're going to add some copper metallic spray paint as well. We'll fog a little bit of that on and we'll test it to our granite piece. We're simply making a sample first. We're adding some brown metallic mixed with isopropyl alcohol as well as some gold metallic. That will fracture that paint and create those realistic looks. We're really happy so far with the sample. The recipe was simple. Bronson, the Knotty Artisan, had already prepped this table for his class with a rock face edge. They did 2 coats of paint and primer in one, and now they're mimicking that same recipe on this table. They've pre-tinted the epoxy with buttercream, then they're going to use black, silver, and copper spray paint to draw veins through that base. They use a fine mist spray bottle and they mist some deep silver metallic on the surface. They're going to fog the surface with some spray paint as well. Then they'll do multiple layers of random veins in black over the top. It's looking amazing. We matched the colors in our sample quite well, and simply adding layers of those same colors mimics this natural stone. Be random with it, drag things on top of different layers, and you create realism. By moving that with a heat gun, you remove any evidence that a paint stick was dragged through the surface, and you create that organic look. We were thrilled with the results. This was an awesome match to natural stone.
And until next time, from Stone Coat Countertops,
You got this! Our epoxy rocks, stone coat countertops.
Hey, visit us anytime at stonecoatcountertops.com. Call anytime for free project support. And until next time, from Stone Coat Countertops, you got this. We'll see you soon.